the worldwide authority on cigars. Welcome to Cigar Emperor.
Hey guys, we're here at the ipcpr Vegas 2019. We're looking at all the new stuff, and today we have a treat because Travis here is going to talk to us about a new tasting kit that's coming out later. It's very exciting. He showed me a preview. I want to share it with you guys because I think we can learn a lot about flavors and profiles of cigars, which many of us don't understand, would like to understand, and this is a great way how we can do this. So Travis, please take it away.
Yeah, it's a project that I'm putting together in the preliminary stages, and coming from the background of being a wonderful consumer, really loving what I learned when I first got into cigars, got me excited. And I started realizing there's so many different choices when it comes to wrapper leaf that I'm putting a project together called Know Your Wrapper. It's basically 7 different wrappers, our biggest wrapper lines that we use. And got them segregated into small 38 by 5 1/8 cigars where you get to taste all wrapper leaf or blended wraps.
How many percent constitutes the flavor and the taste of the cigar? Because I've spoken to a lot of people, in the show. I walk around and I ask different manufacturers. Now, some of them say the leaf is 70%. Some of them say they don't agree. They feel that the leaf is, maybe 50%. I mean, what's your take? What's your personal view, being like an expert here?
It can be anywhere between 40% up to 70 to 80%. It really depends on what just the wrapper.
Okay.
It depends on what the manufacturer does or the blenders do. If you think about a chef, you can have a piece of steak. You cover it with a bunch of sauce, real heavy sauce. That's going to constitute a bigger flavor. It's going to draw away from the steak. Or is the steak on its own where it's a higher percentage of flavor?
So the wrapper is like the sauce?
The wrapper would be like your steak.
The
if
wrapper
you have
would
a
be
steak
the steak
all on its own,
so the filler,
that's a large percentage.
So the filler and the binder wouldn't be the steak?
No, the filler and the binder. When we construct a cigar, we really want the wrapper to kind of speak volumes as the flavor notes. The fillers, we use that to enhance the flavor, but also that's where we add body level.
Okay.
We want a larger bodied cigar. We want more of a Ligero, the upper section of the plant. We put that Ligero in there, gives it a little more flavor. We balance it with the wrapper to give and heighten the wrapper flavors.
Okay.
But by putting this project together, I wanted everyone to try just the wrapper leaf with the same tobacco strain, like the first one, Connecticut Shade from the U.S. That Connecticut Shade U.S., I wanted that to be the binder and the filler, but I couldn't do it all wrapper because that's a very expensive leaf. So we're using the same stock plant or same field, using that same tobacco, just appropriate tobaccos, a little thicker for the fillers, binder that's not quite good enough to be a wrapper.
But the whole cigar is basically
100% Ecuadorian, Connecticut,
but the filler and binder is from it's not the same leaf.
It's not the same leaf. It's not because the wrapper leaf is separate from the rest of it.
Yeah.
But it's all like the U.S. grown Connecticut. It's all U.S. grown Connecticut tobaccos.
Right. So it's the same plant.
Yes.
The same plant, just different sections of the plant.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Let's. We want to have a look at the box. Okay, that's great. So, nice little kit there. Maybe.
Now, remember, this is a preliminary. I just got this 2 days ago from our guys in Tabacalera de Garcia, largest cigar factory in the world. But as you can see, we've got the U.S. Connecticut, Cameroon, Ecuadorian Connecticut, Criollo, Habano, Sumatra, and, of course, the Connecticut broadleaf.
I like the way how they're all individually labeled, and they have numbers on them. What do the numbers mean?
Those are what we call NPD numbers, or New Product Development Numbers. Because I had to design and make these as a new blend, our factory, we had to put an NPD number on it.
All right.
Now, when this goes into final production, I will have the names of the wrapper that goes on there as a label.
Oh, that's good. And I like the fact it comes with a cutter and a lighter and a pen. But
I guarantee it won't be a 4-point Sheridan pen. It'll be something new. But I'll put a pen in there because I'm also designing a 8-page book. When you open the pamphlet up, it'll describe and have the story of the U.S. grown Connecticut. On the other side, it'll have the brands that go with that particular wrapper. What blends do we do with that wrapper? So when you find a wrapper that you are really drawn to, because we all have different palates, when they're drawn to one particular style, okay, now which ones do I choose from it? But also have a note section in there so you can take notes on what you're liking about it. So when you go to your local retailer or your tobacconist, you can say, I tasted this wrapper. This is what I liked out of it. They can help fit you to a cigar that's more designed for
This
you.
is great. I think we definitely need more of this in the world. I think when people become more educated, they appreciate more and they're going to try more, and the whole experience is much more blissful and meaningful.
Absolutely.
I feel, So this is a fantastic little project. I mean, hats off to Travis for doing this. And you guys should, how do people, if they want to attend, I mean, is there some site listings on the website, or how does it work?
I haven't gotten anything designed yet. Like I say, this is very preliminary.
Okay.
We're hoping I'll have this finished up by the 1st of next year.
Okay.
So by 2020, by the beginning of 2020, I'm looking to do some projects with our Casa de Monte Cristo stores, iron out the kinks, and then we're going to do a national tour probably next spring.
Okay.